So just as a legal disclaimer, I did receive this as a review sample with the only expectation that I make a video on it. And I have the control box installed on my PC now and it's running it. But one challenge is figuring out where to put the remote. I could just leave it on top of the PC or put it maybe up on my shelf a little higher. But I thought it'd be nice to have just somewhere to put it, have its own dedicated spot. And what I came up with is this. I 3D printed a holder for it, and there's a couple different design features this holder has. It has screw holes that are sized for like drywall screws if you want to screw it to something, and it has holes for magnets that are 10 millimeters in diameter and 3 millimeters thick. And obviously I decided to go with the magnetic mounting route. And yeah, now with this, I can stick it to something magnetic, or well, ferrous I should say, and I got somewhere to hold my remote. And I thought 4 magnets was going to be overkill, but it seems to be just about right. It's strong enough to keep it in place. It will pull the door open with it, but it's not that hard to just take it off. And also with the cutout in the bottom, it's pretty easy to slide on out and grab. And then I can control my fans, change the colors and the modes, do all sorts of fun stuff. And when I'm done adjusting them, it goes back into the little holder. But yeah, I thought I'd share. And the model is linked in the description. I have uploaded it to Thingiverse. So it will add that I guess the dimensions the remote will hold are either 7 millimeters or 0.2 inches thick, and then the width is 51 millimeters or 2 inches wide, and the height, really I guess you could go taller, but I designed it for 85 millimeter tall or 3 1/3 inches. So I imagine there's other RGB light remotes that will fit in there, but I made it specifically for the remote that comes with the Silverstone LSB02-E. But yeah, hopefully that was interesting. Thanks for watching.